Ayan, hello guys! Ayan, I just wanna show you the last event that we've hosted. Ayan, we've hosted the 18th birthday celebration of Faith Nicole dyan po sa may Tuscany. Ayan, we're going inside. O, diba? Nakita nyo yung mga chairs and tables and of course, ayan yung mga hanging flowers. Ayan, ayan din po yung mga cart, which is merong refreshment, different kinds of drinks, merong mga cookies and all, pa-ice cream, popcorn, ayan, merong mga sweets, o diba? Para naman habang naghihintay yung ating mga visitors, yung mga family, friends, and relatives of our celebrator, ayan, meron silang pika-pika, and of course, ayan din yung set up ng buffet for the food, ayan, prepared by Saccharines Catering Services, ayan, by Angeli Marshall, ayan, napakalaking pasasalamat kay Ate Angelica dahil kahit medyo busy, she still find time to trust me on some of her events. Ayan, thank you so much Ate Angeli Marshall. And of course, ayan nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyong mga sweets prepared by Rochelle's Kitchen. Ayan, napakasarap niyan, promise. Totoo, kasi natikpan ko sila. Napakasarap, especially nung grahams with leche plan on the top. Napakasarap talaga, promise. Ayan na nga yung mga chairs and tables. Diyan uupo, of course, yung ating, yung mga bisita pala ni Faith. Ayan, ang ating debutant. Ayan nga yung ating stage setup. Ayan, ginawa rin po yan ng Saccharines Catering Services. Ayan, meron ng mga visitor ang ating debutant. Andyan na yung ibang mga friends niya, mga relatives and family member. Yan yung mom niya na naka-backless. O, diba? Talaga naman. And of course, ito yung ating DJ booth. Ayan yung laptop and different kind of paraphernalias. Ayan yung ating mga DJs. Ayan, napakagaling ng sound system nila. Gumaganda yung aking boses. O, diba? Kaya naman, kanta ako ng kanta pag sila yung sound system sa mga events. Ayan na nga yung mga visitors and of course, ayan, nag-start na yung debut and that's the second part na which is dyan na pumasok yung ating mga intermissions numbers. Ayan, ayun yung ating debutant na si Faith on her second look, of course. Ayan, ang sabi sa akin ng mom niya, ito daw guy na nag-guitar yung best friend ng ating debutant na si Faith. And those two girls, if I'm not mistaken, according to their message, they met Faith at school. So, mga schoolmates niya and naging friends na rin, and of course. And ayan, yung ating other intermission number, if I'm not mistaken too, this is Faith Kasim. Ayan, hindi ko na alam, pero according to their message, nung nag-message yung ating debutant, galing yata yan sa malayong lugar. Pero dito rin naman sa Pilipinas. But hindi dito sa Angeles City. Nakalimutan ko na lang kung saan. Diba? Nag-enjoy talaga yung ating debutant while they're having an intermission number. Ayan, kinakantahan siya ng kanyang Cassie. Diba? Ayan, no? Diba? Napakaganda talaga ng flowers ng Saccharine Catering Services. Kaya naman kung may mga events kayo, yan, huwag po kayong mahihiyang mag-send ng message. Ayan, you can send me a message or you can look for Angeli Marshall. Ayan, pwede po kayong mag-request kung anong mga events meron kayo, yung kung anong klaseng setup you want. Ayan, gagawan nila yan ng paraan. So, ayan na nga po yung another tito yata, if I'm mistaken, tito yan ng ating debutant na si Faith. And kinanta niya yung Pinoy Big Brother House. Ayan, happy birthday! And mapa-chandelier pa si Ate Angeli, diba? And of course, ayan yung cake na napakaganda. Yan, mga fresh flowers yung nakalagay. Talagang nilapitan ko yung cake at binidyuhan ko. Fresh flowers yung mga nilagay nila. Pero, it's up to you guys if you want to eat fresh flowers. Pero yung mga butterfly, hindi siya edible. They can't be eaten. And of course, yan yung inupuan ng ating debutant. O, diba? Ayan, kaya naman maraming salamat sa mga events na binibigay niyo po sa akin, Lord. Thank you all guys so much!